Hey YouTube, Beat Up Tony here. I thought I'd put a video series together of rebuilding this big turbo VW engine. It's a 88 by 94, it's 2442 cc. We're going to take it out, tear it down, evaluate it, check all the bearings and everything, and then we're going to put a street-friendly cam in it. And then it's going to hit the dyno, see what she does. So follow along. If there's anything else you guys like to see as we go, just put it in the comments section. And of course, like and subscribe. And check us out on Instagram at TW Engineering. Let's go.
Wow, it's a little more work than I remember. It's been a few years, but she's out. So tomorrow we'll put it on the engine stand, start breaking it down, and see how it looks inside and go from there. So remember to like, subscribe, and check us out on Instagram at TW Engineering.